Hey guys, this is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a TextNow app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to provide you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and just search for the application. And then from here, just tap on the app guys, and when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So now, for the second solution, guys, just go to your device settings. And after that, go to the apps. And then from here on the apps, just try to find the application TextNow and tap on it. Then from here, go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to have a working TextNow application. And guys, if these solutions that I provided doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application back on your device. So first, uninstall the application. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix the TextNow application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!